Fine. Now we'll learn sorting. I can sort my data, of course, very easily. If I can add my filter through Control Shift L. I can remove it. I can add it again. Now, if I want to sort the data, of course, I'll just choose this. It will sort accordingly, according to that. And the same way for each column, I can do it. And if there's a number, I'm so sorry, I'll explain again. So, filter, Control Shift L, and then I can add again Control Shift L, or simply I'll just remove it for now. So simply I can go to home, and if I'm sorry, where was I? Yeah, if I am on my home tab, and then I can click over here. I can add filter, simple, or by Control Shift L. That seems simple to me. Fine. If I go over here, I can sort my data through A to Z. Same way, I can do to full name. I can do to this column as well. I can do to this column as well, and so on. Now, what if there's a number, it will give me an option smallest to largest. So these things will only help me analyze my data efficiently, more easily. Now, if I do the opposite, okay, maximum is 65. Fine, I know that. Okay, the same way. What is the minimum salary? Okay, it is this. What is the maximum salary? Okay, it is this. It is easy for me to understand. Now, what is the maximum? What is the minimum bonus? Okay, 0%. What is the maximum? 40%. Okay, now I understand. Now, what if I want to, just let me remove the filter. Okay. What if I want to filter my data on the basis of two columns? Over here, I'm just doing it on the basis of one column only. What if I want to sort it by name first, and then by salary? To do that, first of all, we'll move on to that. But do you understand up till now over here? Up till now, do you understand? Everyone? Perfect. So I'll go over here. I think it is over here only. Yeah, custom sort. Now it will give me options to sort by as many columns as much I want. So let's take first by name only. Okay, I want to sort this data by name. Where is full name? Okay, it's over here. Now sort on cell values. It should be A to Z. Now I want to sort another level. I want to sort it by salary. Where is salary? Over here. Smallest to largest. Fine, let's keep it like this. Khalas. Okay. Now I have my data sorted first by name and then by salary. Of course, this doesn't make any sense because our sorting is not very analytical. But this is something I just wanted to check that